we're going to do is replace the screen. So essentially all we're going to do for this is just pick the keyboard up, place the screen underneath it, go in at a slight angle, around about 30 degrees, and then just drop the keyboard back down. You'll line this up because when you close these hinges there's a couple of posts, there's one on this hinge, there's a couple on this hinge, that actually drop into holes on the hinge, so just go very slowly and carefully, make sure everything's aligned, and then you shouldn't be able to go wrong. So we'll just get this cable round and tucked into that hook to start with, because that's where it's going to go through, part of the cable routing. And you can just see there, if it'll focus, yep, you just see those two holes there and there with the guide posts in place. So that's spot on, and it looks like we've just got the two screws, so one there. Just move that for a moment. One there, and let me pop that back in place so we don't forget where it goes. And that essentially is the screen connected. Alright, next thing we will do is look at putting the motherboard back in.